drops dropping on the tin roof above our bed. I love the way you're sleeping, hand on my chest, I kiss you softly to wake you up, wake you up. Ooh. And when you open your eyes and give me that smile while your feet touch mine, I keep on falling, falling more in love with you every morning. The night pulls the sun down, today's curtain falls as the moon lights the sky. We lit a fire to fight off the cold, but your warmth is the flame I hold. You've lit a fire deep in my soul, it burns just for you, a love I can't control. As we sit by the fire, wrapped in the blanket's heat, I look up at the stars, thankful you're with me. I thank the heavens for giving me you. In this world, there's nothing more true. It's just another rainy morning, the mist settles in, the wind dances outside, but babe, I'm burning within. Ooh. And when you open your eyes and give me that smile while your feet touch mine, I keep on falling, falling more in love with you every morning.